Okay, this is my left hand the day before my operation to correct my Dupuytren contracture on the little finger. Another area of the hand is also affected, but my motility on the thumb is perfectly all right for the time being. We'll see what happens in future. Anyway, if you look at the little finger, you can notice that it's permanently bent upwards, an angle of about 25, maybe 30 degrees. And I find it absolutely impossible to straighten my little finger and bring it back to its normal position. If you look closely, you should be able to see this cord of abnormal fibrous tissue which has formed along the little finger and at the base of the little finger, and which distorts and bends my little finger, making it impossible to stretch. The operation I will have tomorrow is an injection of collagenase. This is an enzyme which will break down much of the collagen tissue which makes up this fibrous cord, and hopefully that will make it easier for the surgeon to break the cord manually. Fingers crossed.